Today I'm diving into something seriously cool, NinjaChat, an all-in-one AI assistant that combines text, images, code and documents into a single powerful workspace. If you have been juggling between multiple AI tools, then this platform might replace them all. Let's explore its top features and see if it really lives up to the hype. So what exactly is NinjaChat? In short, it bundles multiple cutting-edge AI models and creative tools into one unified platform. You can seamlessly switch between GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, and more, all from the same interface. Here, what makes it stand out? Smart chat and writing tool, which is perfect for drafting blogs, scripts, or emails. Visual generation, which can be used to generate images and even hints of videos and music tools. Document analysis, upload PDFs or reports and get quick insight from that report. Code generation, brainstorming and mind maps for multi-step work. And most importantly, workflow consolidation and serious value for money. Whether you are writing blogs, YouTube scripts or social media posts, NinjaChat's writing tools make it effortless. You can tweak tone, change models or use pre-built templates to get polished drafts in seconds. Here I am inside my NinjaChat dashboard and here I am choosing Gemini 2.5 Pro and web, and I'm giving this prompt: write a 500-word blog on the best places to see northern lights in winter. And the moment I click on hit, it is showing thinking process, and after that it will quickly generate the blog. As you can see, it started generating the blog. Tromsø, Swedish Lapland, Finnish Lapland, Iceland, beyond Europe. So it is giving me a full information. So that's cool. So within a second, I get a total blog on the best places to see northern lights in winter. If you work in finance, NinjaChat can speed up your research. It analyzes reports, compares matrices, and summarizes insight, helping you to make informed decisions faster. So this time, let's choose finance from here. And here, let's choose GPT-5 and put this prompt: summarize the latest Salesforce quarterly report and compare it with ServiceNow. Let's hit the enter. And NinjaChat is started doing its job. Very soon it will give the result back. So it's trying to fetch the Salesforce versus ServiceNow latest quarterly report. And as you can see here, the result comes back. This gives you the graph, what is the current share price, all the related news. So I think this is a really helpful feature if you're working in finance domain. For students and researchers, this feature is a gem. It finds and summarizes academic papers so that you can focus on understanding, not just doing the search. So this time I'm going to choose academic from here, and here I'm going to choose the model as Anthropic and give the command this: summarize 5 recent papers on edge computing and IoT systems. And let's hit the enter and let's see what it will give me back. So it's now searching through different academic papers and it found 20 papers, and this is the result that is coming back. It summarizes all these 20 papers and giving me a consolidated report on these two topics, which are basically the edge computing and IoT systems. This is really helpful. Think if you are a student and if you are doing a research, instead of doing a search and finding out all the recent papers, if there is one tool who can do all this job, give you a summary of all the recent papers on your topic so that you can focus more on the research, not just do the search. So let the search done by the AI tool NinjaChat and you focus on the research part. So I think this feature is going to be really helpful. Do you prefer learning from YouTube? Then this tool is going to search across YouTube videos and give you a structured summaries, saving you hours of scrolling. This time I'm going to choose YouTube, select the model as Gemini 2.5 Pro and give the prompt as summarize the top YouTube videos from the past year on generative AI. So let's hit the enter button. And it started the thinking process. Very soon it will give the result back. And here is the comprehensive guide on generative AI based on my request, and this is the result that is coming back. A very powerful feature. Okay, sounds like a very comprehensive result coming back based on the latest YouTube videos on topic generative AI. Okay, with that, let's move to the next feature. Need to build something first? NinjaChat can generate the complete code structure, explain you the code, or even debug your code snippet all in one chat. This time I'm going to choose chatting, and here in the model I'm going to choose Anthropic. Let's choose 4 and give the prompt as generate a Node.js plus Express plus EJS app for localhost. Let's hit the enter. It's doing the thinking, and immediately it started creating the project structure, package.json file. This is the app.json, which is a main server file, and then view layout.ejs file, which is a base template, and then the index file, which belongs to the home page, and the about.ejs file, header file, footer file, the style css file, and the main.js file. Finally, it also gives you the instruction how to create the project structure, what are the dependencies that you need to install, what is the folder structure that you need to create, and then copy all these things. And finally, this is the way you can run this program in localhost. And after running that, if you open this localhost 3000 in your browser, you'll find this application available for you. Not even 1 minute, less than 1 minute, your very basic Node.js application is up and running. So this is super powerful. With that, let's move to the next feature. NinjaChat isn't about words. It can create visuals too. From cinematic scenes to oil painting or thumbnail, just describe what you imagine and watch it come to life. So from NinjaChat, if you click on images, this is a place where you can give your prompt like what you want. Here you can choose the model, which model you want this prompt to use. Different color palette, landscape, you want this in square mode, landscape, portrait, whatever mode that you want. Style, this is very important. You can make it a oil painting picture or a digital art or photorealistic picture. And in the advanced feature, you can make it HDR, cinematic, and all this thing. This is the prompt which I am going to give to NinjaChat. It's all about a hyper-realistic, dramatic depiction of a massive fiery explosion happening directly around the planet Saturn. And then I have given a lot of other instruction as well. So let's see what NinjaChat brings. And look what I've received. I've received this image generated by NinjaChat. Isn't it really cool? Within a fraction of a second, awesome picture is being generated by NinjaChat. I love this feature. You want to create a video? NinjaChat has a solution for you. So you come to the dashboard and click on video and give the prompt here, and you can choose which model you want to use. So I've given the same prompt and NinjaChat created a video for me. I'm going to show you the video, and I'm quite sure you'll be amazed by the video. So let's go and watch the video. That's the video, and I'm going to play now. Wow. This video is generated by NinjaChat, just only giving the prompt, and this is the prompt which I've given. This is so powerful. I highly recommend please go and explore this AI tool. You'll be really impressed by the power of this AI tool. This feature is a total time saver. You upload your PDFs, charts, or books, and then ask NinjaChat about anything related to that book, related to that PDF, related to that chart. And not only that, you'll get the instant summary of your uploaded document. So let's see that in action. So here I am in my dashboard, and let me go to PDF chat. This is the place where I need to upload the PDF. So I'm going to upload a PDF about on Google Cloud Notebook tutorials. It's a 3-page document. And the moment I upload the document, NinjaChat has processed the document and immediately gave me a quick summary of the document. Now this is a place where I can start giving my prompt and ask about anything from this document. So let's see that in action. So now the first prompt that I'm going to give is that, can you provide me a list of all tutorials that uses the VO model? So let's hit the enter, and immediately it will tell, based on the information provided, there is only one tutorial that uses a view model, and this is the VO2 reference to video, which is the first one, VO2 reference to video, and this is cover, this thing, reference images, including using asset images and all these things. So immediately it gave me information of all from out of this, all the tutorial, which tutorial using the view model. Let's try one more time. Can you provide me a list of all tutorials that involves Vertex AI? Let's hit the enter button and see what answer I'm getting back. Wow. Based on the information provided in the PDF, there are several tutorials that involve Vertex AI, and here is a list of those tutorials and all this thing. So basically, you can upload your document and get information out of this document. You don't need to go through the entire document. Whatever information you need, you can just type here and go through that. Think from this way. You have a like 100, 200 page research document, or there is a contract, right? And you want to see a particular section of the contract. You want to make sure certain information is included in the contract, right? What you can do, you can upload the contract and ask NinjaChat to make sure those relevant points are included inside the contract. So this will save you a lot of hours and quickly give you the feedback about the document. I think this feature is a really powerful feature. Let me know, what do you think? Instead of paying for multiple tools, one for blogging, one for images, one for videos, NinjaChat combines them all. It's efficient, affordable, and surprisingly very intuitive to use. So here is their website. It's called ninjachat.ai. So if you go to their website and click on pricing, you will find their pricing model. They have 3 different pricing models called Starter, Pro, and Expert. If you go with their yearly option, you will definitely save 30% of the price. And on top of that, I have a good news for you. I have a dedicated link which I'll share right away. And by clicking on this link and using that link to register on their portal, you will even save more. Here comes the link. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Please go and use that link to register for NinjaChat AI. So that's a quick look of NinjaChat AI, your all-in-one AI assistant for smarter work and creative flow. If you like this video, please hit the like icon. Please subscribe to my channel Technical Potpourri so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Drop a comment below which feature impressed you most, or which product platform you want me to explore next. Till next video, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.